Alright, Damien, here's your 1/43rd scale Chevy Tahoe. This is a, I believe, like 2010 through 2000, maybe 2013, late in the year. That's when they come out with a newer body style. This is 1/43rd scale, again, Greenlight model. From what I understand, they bought, from Dennis anyway, they bought the dies from First Response to start making these. So that is why they're pretty much identical to the First Response replicas models. You wanted this one set up like the red Tahoe that you sent the link to. So it has flashing headlights, flashing tail lights, blue grille strobes, blue light bar, and blue rear window strobes. The one you sent me in the video was red strobes, but you want it set up like that one. So that's what we've done here. Like I said, again, with the blues. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Power to the 9-volt battery. So you can go ahead and see your blue strobes. The grille strobes are wired opposite of the light bar, so they will alternate sides and be opposite when they do strobe. So kind of looks cool, breaks it up a little bit. Those are triple strobe each time there. You can kind of detect the triple strobes anyway. It is 2 or 3 different patterns of that. Flashing headlights, you can see those. Same with the rear visor. It'll flash opposite. I don't know why. Well, I do know why my camera does that, because it's crap. But anyway, it flashes opposite of the light bar as well. Again, triple strobe, simultaneous flashes, and like I said, a couple speeds of triple strobe. And of course, you can see your flashing taillights with that. So there you have it. Appreciate it. I'll get this shipped out to you Monday. We're all settled up. So I'll get it shipped out to you Monday and provide you with a tracking number once I get it printed and ready to go. Thanks again. Appreciate your orders.